I'm Jane, the ultimate Filipina, and she is Marjeline. So now we are lunchtime, so we are break for 1 hour. Now we are the cheap food here in the near in school nearby. Hi, and one of my friend also. So we're eating lunch. A lot of option here actually near in the Robinson, but in the Robinson is only McDo, Jollibee, Chowking, or Mang Inasal. Now we eat something different here. So actually here I have hotel nearby. So we chose the Carinderia because cheaper, 50 pesos per order the food, and the rice is 20 pesos. So now we are going there to eat lunch and take a rest for a while before the class start. Hello, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Do you have plan? Do you want to eat inside the mall or in the Carinderia?
In inside the Carinderia.
We just prefer the Carinderia because cheap. So now we are here in the Carinderia. Also have lechon manok. So manok here. So they are serving lechon manok and limpo. So eat here inside. A lot of food.
Puso ko lang may
Ano puso? Oh, masarap yan, di ba? Malamig ba? So this is the Carinderia. This is Carinderia. Ayoko dyan. Yan, this one. Ayoko dyan.
Ayaw mo?
So this is the Carinderia. So this is the street to school. And this is the Robinson. Small Robinson here in the Agos. Agos? This one? In the Agos. I don't know. So this is one more Carinderia here. 3 Carinderia. Ano tayo? 3
Kaunan ta?
Tingnan natin. 3 Carinderia here inside. Tricycle. Here in the Carinderia, I have 1 cup of rice. And I have vegetables, beans, green beans vegetables with what's inside. And radish. We put radish. And I have one slice of fish. So the cost of this is 85 pesos. So very cheap. Unlike if I will eat in the McDonald's or Jollibee, more expensive. So I chose cheap one. And then this one is already two meals. So let's eat, guys. I put some spicy vinegar. So this is Ilonggo sauce with chili padi and garlic. It's very nice the taste of the vinegar. And then I put some soya sauce inside of the fish. So let's eat. This is Ilonggo food here in Iloilo. Let's eat, guys. Now, guys, we are done eating lunch. So we are going back to school, but we still have 1 hour break. So now we eat the dessert. Green mango. It's not so sour, but just nice. We put vinegar and spicy. So thank you for watching. Bye.